Hello there, welcome to the webinar on how to create your own online magazine. My name's Catherine and I'm the founder of Herding Cats Publishing, where we help businesses and entrepreneurs gain media exposure online and in print. So this webinar has come about through to the fabulous She Means Business group, and somebody asked how they did it. It's something that I've been doing for a couple of years. I've been involved with magazines and newspapers most of my working life, and now I coach other businesses in how to create their own online media presence. So the platform that I use is called Joomag.com. Really simple to use. There are two versions. There's a free version and there's a paid version. So for the moment, we're going to look at the free version. All you need to do is sign up for an account, which obviously I've done. And then it's very simply, you just go in and you sign in. And it creates a dashboard for you. You can see here there's a couple of magazines that I've created in the past for as far as training is concerned. To create your first magazine, click on the big plus button, give your magazine a title, create. Okay, so down here you can see you've got three options. You can create from blank, you can create from a template, or you can create from a PDF file. So just what I'm going to show you today and work with today is how to create it from a PDF file. So I use Canva to create my PDFs and then save them onto my desktop, and then I can upload them into Joomag. So if I very quickly scroll down here, you can see there it is, open. Okay, so that's uploaded. So what it's going to do now is take it from that straightforward PDF and it's going to turn it into a magazine format. So it doesn't really matter where you create your PDF. It could be done in Adobe. I just find Canva really easy to use and really quite flexible. The restriction with uploading a PDF is that you can't really change a great deal of what's inside. What you can do is add or delete pages. So we're going to talk you through that. Now, everything that I do on the PDF when I create the page, you'll see, is also exactly the same as how you would do it if you choose to go with a blank page, with a blank and create your own, or whether you went from one of Joomag's templates. So there it is, it's uploaded, it's all ready to go live. So you just want to go in and edit your settings, because you can then publish it to the Joomag newsstand. So this is mostly for SEO purposes. So winning formula, so media exposure online and in print. Keywords as you would for if you're looking at your website. So this is for SEO, so that it can be found. Publishing, people can find it rather. And you can choose a second category. Make it available as a PDF. I'll show you where these come into play in a little bit. Allow readers to print out pages and obviously let them know if it has adult content in there. Save and close. So that is pretty much it. Let's go into, if we were to click go live, this is when it gives you the chance to go. There you go. And it's gone into newsstand, it's gone into an iOS app, and it's gone into Android. So we're just going to, and that lets you auto connect as well. So done. Okay, so if we want to go, we're going to go back now and back into the winning formula. You see we've got one issue there. There we go. So what we're doing now is we want to go in and we want to edit the content. So you will see it brings it into a dashboard. So this preview shows it how your reader would see it. So you can click through, and that is effectively it, really. The buttons down the side here allow the viewer to see it in full screen. They can share it across Twitter, from the front, Twitter, Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn. So it's got all your social shares on there. They can download, they can mute. So if you can hear that, that turns it off. And then people can obviously subscribe to the magazine as well. Okay, so if we just close that down and go back into here. Now, what we can do, because this is a PDF, is go in and manage pages, and this allows us to add a page. So it's broken them all down into individual pages for us, and all you would do is click on. So let's say, for example, you wanted to add a call to action to the back. Highlight the green, click blank page, save and close. Okay, go into edit, go into the last page. There you go, you've got a nice blank canvas that you want to work with. You click edit. So all these tools down the left-hand side, across the top and over on the right-hand side stay exactly the same, whether you're in the paid for version or whether you're in the free version. They're also the same if you go in and edit a template. So if we, for example, wanted to add an image into here, you can upload them from your own library, or you can use the ones that are within Joomag. So if we go from here, and these are some that I've uploaded earlier, and it gives me the option to place it there. And then to add text, you would just click the text tool, draw a text box, write something in. This is an example. And then you would just enlarge it. Similar to what you would do with Word. There we go. Make italics. So yeah, so really, really simple to use. And then these are just the same again as there would be align and centre left align, indent from left from the right. So all very much pretty much straightforward really. So you do get the option to add images, as you've just seen. You can also add video. You can also add a plugin tool. So if you wanted it to link back to your Facebook page, you can do that from here. So if you wanted people to go in and share it, the button's right there, and you would just put in your properties there as to what your Facebook page is. So super simple to use. So if we just quickly save that and then go back to our dashboard. There we go, your magazine's now live. So there's a couple of things down at the bottom, which I'm going to actually show you, because if you go for the paid version, you can monetize the magazine. So this one, Business Women Online, is available at 99 cents. And all you would do to do that is, I don't think you can see them on the screen, but there gives you the selling options, and you set that. You can decide how much people want to pay, or how much you want people to pay to be able to view it. And it could be that 99 cents is a one-off fee, or it's per issue, but it's just a way of monetizing it really. And then this was actually done from one of the templates within Joomag. It's only training one, so you can see we've changed the front cover. It's not finished, but we've added all our own images, we've added all our own text, we've created the banners and the fonts. So this is what it looked like initially, and we've changed some of the content so that you can see. And then there's another way of generating revenue is by asking people to place adverts. So that's pretty much it really. It's very simple to use. If you want to know more, you can go onto Joomag on YouTube and type in Joomag tutorial, and some fantastic videos up there. I will be doing a Facebook Live within the Facebook group at 7 p.m. on Monday, the 13th of March. So please do jump on and join me there if you have any more questions. And if you do want to sign up for the newsletter, just jump onto the Facebook page and enter your email address. And you will be sent out some content on a weekly basis, which updates you with everything that's going on within the media, both online and in print, and any opportunities that we have available for you as well. So thank you very much for listening. I do hope that you found this useful, and I look forward to connecting with you over on the Facebook page on Monday evening at 7 o'clock. Thank you.